The wardrobe framework isn't just about organizing your closet, it's about organizing the way that you think about your clothing. It's a strategy for building a wardrobe that truly reflects you. By understanding and applying this framework, you ensure that every piece in your wardrobe has purpose and personality. Today, let's talk about the wardrobe framework that will help you build better outfits and ultimately a better wardrobe. As you may know, this year we're diving deep into the 12 competencies of personal style. If you've been following along, then you're well on your way to building the foundation of your personal style. Now that you know your color type, body type, and core style, let's put those concepts into practice by organizing your wardrobe and your outfit building process using the wardrobe framework. And if you'd like some help determining your color type or body type, don't forget that my color and body typing service is always available for the price of a haircut. The wardrobe framework consists of 3 categories that every practical and stylish wardrobe should include: essentials, seasonals, and statements. The most important of these, your essentials, are the building blocks of your personal style and your capsule wardrobe. Essentials. Using this wardrobe framework, your essentials should make up about 50 to 60% of your wardrobe. Note that these are essentials, not basics. Essentials are your basics, but better. They're your basics that take into account your color type, body type, and core style. Altogether, your essentials should create a complete capsule wardrobe in and of themselves, and one that is not at all basic or boring. When you build a foundation of essentials, not basics, you can rest assured that you'll feel like yourself in any outfit. Remember, your essentials should be pretty much year-round and should take into account your color type, body type, and core style. However, it's okay if they don't check all 3 boxes. What's most important is that you feel great in them and you can mix and match them with your seasonals and statement pieces. Seasonals. Your seasonals should make up about 20 to 25% of your capsule wardrobe. Seasonal items are those that can be worn about 3 to 6 months out of the year, and you plan to bring them out year after year. Usually these incorporate seasonally appropriate colors or textures, and may even include some macro trends that you intend to enjoy for several years. Your seasonals can include just a few key items like a coat and boots, or they can create entire mini capsules that completely transform your essentials each season. The main idea is that these are seasonally appropriate and rotate in and out of your wardrobe year after year. They're absolutely practical, and because you're rotating them in and out of your wardrobe each season, they bring fresh excitement to your wardrobe even when you're not buying new things. Statements. Finally, your statements should make up about 20 to 25% of your wardrobe. Statements are those items that you have a strong emotional connection with and you're excited to wear right now, whether or not they make any practical sense. These are the items that really excite you and help keep your wardrobe feeling fresh. They're still items that you plan to keep for a very long time, but may rotate in and out of your wardrobe asynchronously with the seasons. The primary purpose of statements is the pure enjoyment of style and self-expression. Choosing your essentials. Now, let's go into your closet and identify some of your essentials. I think it's super valuable to keep a list of your essentials somewhere handy. So grab a piece of paper, your phone, or download the Style File Notion template where you'll find a space to create your own list of wardrobe essentials. Take a look in your closet and pull out the items that really make you feel like yourself. Now try on each item and identify why it works so well for you. What is it about the color, cut, shape, or style that resonates with your color type, body type, or core style? For example, one of my essentials is a wide leg pleated pant that can be worn high or low waisted and is long enough to puddle a little bit at the floor. In black or dark gray, this is a perfect essential for me and checks all the boxes of color type, body type, and core style. My color type is true winter, so black and gray are some of my most worn colors. My body type is flamboyant natural, so the long, wide leg silhouette and the ability to wear these pants low-waisted makes them both comfortable and flattering for my body type. And finally, my core style is relaxed, classic, and edgy. The wide leg and low waist are relaxed, The pleated trouser shape is classic, and the slight puddling at the floor keeps these pants a little bit edgy and not too serious. When adding items to your list of essentials, try to be just as specific. And if you like multiple iterations of an item, feel free to list them both. For instance, you might like straight leg jeans in a light wash, non-stretch denim that are both long and cropped. With this specific list in hand, you'll find it so much easier to create new outfits, identify gaps, and choose new items to add to your wardrobe. Using the wardrobe framework. Outfit building. Once you start thinking through the lens of the wardrobe framework, building outfits that align with your personal style becomes effortless. Have a statement piece in your wardrobe that you're not sure how to wear? Pair it back with your essentials. Or start with your essentials and add seasonal items to make your outfit weather appropriate. When your essentials form the foundation of your daily outfits, you'll always feel like yourself. And if you feel like going outside of your comfort zone, feel free to pair statements together. You don't have to wear your essentials. Just know that you can always fall back on your essentials if you feel like you've strayed too far from your core style. Choosing new items. Similarly, when you're looking to add new seasonal or statement items to your wardrobe, always make sure that they pair with at least some of your essentials. And if a new item doesn't pair with any of your essentials, ask yourself if you really are missing an essential in your wardrobe or if this item just isn't for you. This approach not only curbs impulse buys, but encourages a mindful expansion of your wardrobe, ensuring each new piece adds value and versatility. When choosing new essentials, try to choose items that suit your color type, body type, and core style. Be as picky as you can possibly be. Think outside the box to choose items that work for your lifestyle and personal style. Don't get sucked into buying basics that are average and boring. Choose items that serve a real purpose in your capsule wardrobe and don't sacrifice your personal style. Wardrobe refresh. Finally, implementing the wardrobe framework within your own closet will help to keep your wardrobe feeling fresh without constant shopping. By rotating your seasonals and statements, you can breathe new life into your essentials with every season. It's a great way to rediscover pieces from the past and evolve your style without adding new pieces to your wardrobe. The wardrobe framework isn't just about organizing your closet, it's about organizing the way that you think about your clothing. It's a strategy for building a wardrobe that truly reflects you. By understanding and applying this framework, you ensure that every piece in your wardrobe has purpose and personality. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to get into your closet and start identifying your own wardrobe essentials. If you genuinely liked this video or found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more personal style and capsule wardrobe videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.